This is Melanie from Melanie B's Creative Studio, and I have another painting to share with you from Winnie's Picks. So it comes in this nice tube. I've shown you all this before. The image is here, but I'm going to include it here. So they package it so beautifully that you don't have to worry about any damage to the painting or any of the contents. You can save this tube for storing, other canvases along with this one, just however you want to use it. It is just a really sturdy, nice container. So I'm gonna open this one up. Now, it's, as I told you in the last video about Winnie's Picks, their canvases are completely different than what we're used to. Very, very thick. It's highly textured canvas on the front. The numbers and lines are black, and the numbers are fairly large in open spaces, but they're very legible even in tiny spaces. There is a fabulous reference guide. And then this is about the artist. So this particular artist that created this piece is the same one I spoke about last time, because apparently I really love her style. Her name is Robin Altman, and there's a little bit of information about her, which I think is important. The artist should get credit for their art. So I love that a lot of these companies are working with these artists to create these amazing pieces for us. All right, let me move all this out of the way. Let me go ahead and show you. We got the 4-pack of the wooden paint brushes. Gives you 4 different sizes. And finally, we're gonna talk about the paints, and we're gonna swatch these paints, and let's see what quality we have to work with this time. And you wanna find the swatch guide that I've created. It's at my website, melaniegilstrap.com/PBN. And that is where I have other digital files as well. Since I designed this swatch guide, I have done 40 paintings and their swatches. I think it's been at least that many over a period of about a week or so. I wanted to test the paints in some of my old kits, and so I got out my paint swatch and I just sat there and watched TV late at night and before bed, and just relaxed and swatched a bunch of kits to see what the paint was like, whether it was still good or so it's been a super helpful tool for me. So I've got my little paint pot full of water with a paint puck in it. I've got a cosmetic wipe, and I'm using one of the paint brushes from the 5-piece detail set that I've talked about in a prior video. This one is a 1 round, and let's get started. Okay, so I have swatched all 24 colors of paint, and they're all amazing. The only one that might not be, or actually 2, is this one right here and this one here, which is yellow, of course. This one's going to be somewhere in between, but that one for sure is going to be transparent. But yellows usually are, so I'm going to add a little bit of white to that, or I'll mix up a new one from Arteza, and it will be perfect. So you guys, my second opinion of them is just as it was the first time. It's amazing. They have fabulous quality, everything. And so I suggest you go give them a shot. All right, so this is it for today, and thank you as always for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment, and go join me on Patreon. I will put the information in the description below and right here, and I will see you back soon.